To turn live photos into long exposure photos in iPhone 17, first of all, let's open our camera. Now you will need to click on those 6 dots in the top right corner of the screen when you're in the photo mode and activate a live photo. When it's active like that, take a photo of something moving, for example, a waterfall. I already have a photo for that edit, so let's open our gallery next. So click on that photo that you took, and then next step is to click on the top left corner of the screen right here and select long exposure. From live photo it will change to long exposure, and then it will merge all of the frames to make that effect for your photos. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.